Emo's not dead. Hey bold babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly, as you know, or if you don't know, then you're new. If so, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a little mini unboxing slash mini review. I don't know why everything's mini, but just felt good. Mini review of the new cream eyeliner from Maskcara Beauty. So I am wearing it right now, but maybe don't look too much. It's kind of supposed to be a surprise. But anyway, and I'll also be showing you this really easy classic holiday look. Seriously, it's so easy. So let's start. Okay, first I am gonna put on my blush and lipstick really quick because, not because I want to be mean and leave you hanging, but because I feel like without it I look weird, so anything I'm gonna add is still gonna look weird. So let's get a finished look and then we'll do the liner last, because I feel like that's kind of what you do anyway, right? I usually do all my eyeshadow and then my liner, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. So first step of this holiday classic makeup look is I put on my normal highlight and contour. If you are wondering what that is, go look at literally any of my videos. I show it almost every time. So I'm just wearing 2 products on my face right now. I'm wearing, okay, 3. I'm wearing my main highlight color, which is a white peach. So it's also a foundation, concealer, all the things. And then I'm wearing ash contour. And then I do have a brightener highlight on, which is the same like cream foundation stuff, and it's Moonlit that I have under my eyes, kind of on my chin and down my nose. So there's that. Okay, so I kid you not, my favorite shade this winter that I have been wearing all the time, that I'm gonna be wearing to like any Christmas parties I go to. Okay, it's just one, my family party, because I'm not cool. It's this one. It's called Saffron, and it's a matte. This is sitting next to Royal for reference. So Royal is a lot deeper color and it's glossy and sheer. That's nude. I don't know, doesn't really matter. Anyway, so I'm gonna be putting that on my cheeks and my lips. So you can totally put these lips on with your fingers. It's quick that way if you're in a pinch, but especially with these really pigmented matte ones, I do like to use a brush or else it's gonna kind of stain your fingers and it's kind of hard to get off. So the Multitasker brush is perfect for that. And fun fact, you can use this for the liner. So I'm gonna show you later how to use that with the new liner. So no real special technique here, just kind of like a paintbrush. And as you can see, it gets deeper the more I add on. So you can add more layers if you want it darker and deeper, which I usually do. We're gonna call that good. All right, so I'm gonna use the same one on my cheeks as well. You just wanna go super light. You can build on more if you want to, but I just take my blush brush and just do a couple small little taps in it, so I'm not getting a ton of product on. Because we just want a light, natural flush with this. And if you get it, I don't know, too crazy, you can always just go on with your finger and just add a little more of that highlight foundation. Okay, and then for this eyeshadow look, it's seriously going to be the easiest eyeshadow look you've ever seen. Maybe that's a little dramatic, but it's so easy. I'm only gonna use 2 colors. You can do this at home and you can kind of swap it out with whatever shades you already have. So I'm gonna go on with Stardust. So it's kind of a greenish, beigeish color, I don't know. And it has a shimmer to it, but it's not too crazy. And I'm just lightly putting that all over the lid. Okay, and then you can leave it there just using the one shade, it's really pretty. Or you can add a second one like I like to do, just to add a little bit of dimension and just difference, I guess. But I still want to keep it pretty classic neutral, so I'm just going to go on with this light brown. It's called Basic, and again we're just going to do super light, but with this one I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. now the moment you've all been waiting for, or you just skipped ahead to this part to see. It's fine, I don't judge you. So it comes in a little metal tin, which, if you remember, the eyeshadows for mascara also come in those little square metal tins, so you'll be able to pop your eyeliner right in your compact with the rest of your makeup. Obviously, I'll know like trying it on, but just kind of feeling it. It doesn't feel super thick, it doesn't feel sticky. Seems like it's gonna be really smooth and really pretty. Okay, and then I also got the Hotline brush, which is one that they recommend to use with the liners. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but so this is traditionally an eyebrow brush, obviously. It's got the spoolie on the end, which is really nice, and it's a really fine wedge brush. So it makes for those perfect little hair strokes. I'm excited to use that. Okay, I know this is gonna be a little crazy, but I'm gonna use 2 different brushes on each eye, or not on each eye, 1 on each eye. So I'm gonna use that new Hotline brush, because that's kind of one that they say will work really well with it. They meaning Maskcara. And then my fancy, handy dandy Multitasker brush, which is one that I typically use when I do liner. I haven't used this one before. As you know, I've used eyeshadows before. So we'll see how this works, but I really want you guys to see the differences and then know which one would be best and easiest to use. So first up, let's use this one since that's the one I am most familiar with. I am actually incredibly nervous about this. The reason I use eyeshadow for liner is because it's easy, you can't really mess it up. I don't use liquid liner and I've definitely never used cream liner, so we'll see how this works. So I'm not going with a ton. At least I don't think I am. I have no idea how pigmented it is. Okay. I'm gonna do a tiny bit of a wing. Try not to poke yourself in the eye. So far so good. I mean, it's going on pretty easy. Okay, let's do this top lash though. It's gonna be so sexy, you guys. It's really not as like deep of black as I was expecting though, which really surprises me, but maybe it's because I'm doing it so light. Okay, also, I am doing it in a camera, not a mirror, so let's give me some wiggle room there. But I don't have any complaints. My only thing is really that I thought it would be a darker black like a liquid eyeliner would look like. So we're gonna try this other brush and kind of see if that makes a difference. And again, maybe it's just because I'm kind of purposely trying not to put it on too heavy because it's my first time, but let's see what this brush does. Okay, so already with this brush, I feel like it's not as smooth as an application. But I feel like the point on it will help you out with your wing or cat eye, whatever line you're trying to do. Okay, so I do feel like this side seems darker to me. So maybe this brush does put it on more pigmented, but I do feel like as far as like the smoothness of applying it, the Multitasker was easier for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish touching up and whatever we have, and then we will see. Also, the black little flakes are from my mascara, not the eyeliner, so in case you're wondering. Okay, so finished it and had to clean up all the mascara and whatnot. I totally feel like I'm more on this side now. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that we're all evened up, I hope. So my first initial impression review is, I don't know. I'm not super excited or impressed, but it's my first time trying a completely new product, so it's not fair to say no and that I don't like it and I'm never gonna try it again. Even with the mascara foundation that I tried 5 years ago, it took me several months to like get the right shade down, which brush I liked, which application technique I liked, until I got it down to where I liked it. And fun fact, that was before the artist program, so I didn't have a handy dandy artist. I really like using that, don't I? Handy dandy. I need to stop that. I didn't have an experienced artist ask my questions to and help me out with all these things, but you do. So use me and reach out to me. So with the eyeliner, I'm definitely going to keep using it and show it in future videos and definitely try and get this figured out because you can't beat the convenience of it. I do love that, again, it can just go right in your compact with all your other makeup. So it's one less thing that has to go in your makeup bag. It's just right there, easy to refill when you run out. And I am really curious how it does as far as like long lasting, smudging, all that kind of stuff. I will definitely update you on in future videos. But for now, that is it for today's video. I hope that you loved that little review of the new Maskcara cream eyeliner and the super easy classic holiday look. Let me know in the comments if you have ordered this new eyeliner and what your thoughts are and what you think of it. I would love to know. And again, you can shop the new cream eyeliner or any of the other products that I'm wearing and showed you in this video in the link down below. Or if you need help picking out shades, have questions about the brand, my email is also down there. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you would like to, you can do that right now. If you remember, I still have that really big goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I am so close, you guys. I appreciate your support so much, that you show up and you comment and you like my videos, because then I can keep doing what I love. So if you would like to subscribe, you can do it super easy right now by clicking on my face, or if you want to watch more videos, check out that one. And until next time,